Hello and welcome back to another episode. We have another manufactured home tour. This is the Summit. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 26 by 68 footer, double wide. And this home went crazy. They snapped. Wait until we go inside. Stay with me through the whole video. You're gonna want to see this baby until the end. I think this is the best one on the lot. If you ask me, this was my favorite. But here's a little sneak peek. You know what I mean? You get some visuals of the outside. Subscribe if you love the video. If you like the video, like it, because I'll love it. And there was a floor plan. Here we go. We're walking into the inside. They did such a good job on this home. I love that little custom wood building right at the front. That is so cute. You can do so much with like decor right there and just really add focus to that space. Look at the custom cabinetry above the built-in fireplace. And then the fireplace, like it's the white trim, right next to that beautiful wood. Stunning. You have laminate flooring throughout, and those are barn doors, so you can open them and close them to your liking and put a little display on. Check out the quote, "Live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words." That's really the key, really, isn't it? I liked it. Here's the decor that they have going on here, which opens up to this absolutely stunning kitchen. You guys don't know, but this island right here, it's big. It's huge. It really is just huge. They have this little extra building, and it was just explosive. That right there took the cake for me. You got all this custom storage space, a little seasoning rack, beautiful countertops, beautiful back baseboard trim. You got the trim going all the way throughout this entire home. You got a nice pantry. This home is just so cute. If this had tall ceilings, and I'm sure that that's probably an option. If this had tall ceilings, oh my gosh. Look at this backboard trim right here that they have going right behind the stove. That's really cute. Wish they would have taken it all the way up. I don't know if that's unable to be done because of the vent right there, but that would have been just really whoa. Like whoa. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you guys. Well, first of all, check out the website, like the video, comment, all that jazz. But I wanted to know, do you guys prefer for me to like do a guided tour with you guys, or would you rather me give you the specs right in the beginning, a little introduction, and then just let you guys kind of make your own opinion and go about it without me talking? Because I'm still getting used to this. I'm still figuring out like my flow, but you might like that better. Here's the 4th bedroom, and this is according to the floor plan in the beginning. So if you were to go back and press pause on that floor plan, that's how I number the rooms that I'm going into, just in case you guys are ever wondering. But I don't know. Let me know, you guys. I like being here with you. I do, but for some of these, I would absolutely not ever mind dipping out before we even, you know what I mean, get into the whole shebang shaboom. Okay, so another one of my favorite features of this house is, okay, there's so many. So let me just start. They have a Jack and Jill style bedroom bathroom combo. This is one of the bedrooms for that they have the little tinker truck or whatever kind of bed, little railroad train type thing. So this is the Jack and Jill bathroom. And it's coming between two of the bedrooms. I think that is so cool. They have it separated, you know what I mean, the shower and the toilet area, which I've always loved that. A decent sized shower, and they have it separated with the toilet. And then you have access to the storage. You have access to the sinks. And then it's connected on both sides. Whoa. For a family, you know what I mean, a big family, that would come in handy. Doesn't this room look lived in? I went touring through it and I'm like, wow, look like a kid might have just left or something. And somebody had to straighten up real quick and be out. They're giving you an idea of what it'll probably look like. Anyway, that was the other closet for this playroom. Okay, let me stop. Here's the other bathroom. You know what? For some odd reason, I did not go into that bathroom. So that's the only clip you're going to see of that bathroom in this whole video. I'm so sorry. I don't know where my mind was at. I think I was just excited about seeing everything else. I don't know. But this is the laundry room. This is like an office desk setup in the laundry room. How do you guys feel about that? In the laundry room? I mean, I know they're trying to use the most out of the space that they have, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I like that. I do like the setup of the desk, but not the location. I don't know. Anyway, we're walking back to the front. Like the little teal, turquoise, bright blue decor going on in here. Too cute. It's too cute. It's too cute. You got some storage right here in the hallway. Like that. Here's the master. I really like this. I love how the windows are set up. The light that's coming in. I actually do like that for this type of a home. I do. I really do. And then what I really like, I don't know if you guys noticed also in the dining room, that custom build, that custom wood headboard right there. They have the same thing in the dining room. And that's really nice. It looks like it's a quality. It's like, it's pretty thick. And it just adds a lot of character. Okay, so now we're going into my favorite part of this. Look at the tub. Oh my gosh. A nice little, tub rack. Throw it over, set your wine. A couple little chocolates. Maybe even a good book, a candle. Oh my gosh. I would just zone all the way out. And think about all the editing that I'm going to have to do as soon as I get out. Here's a shower. Big shower. Huge shower. Love the shower. And then they have like that granite type design. Oh, they snapped on this bathroom. They have that custom build right here. Look at all the shelving. You can put all kinds of stuff in there. You can hang your robe, hang your little nightgown, little sexy little nightgown you're gonna put on for your man when you get out the tub and go get him some wine and some little chocolate snacks. And here is the closet. I love a good closet. This is too cute. They made the most of this space and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. What do you guys think of this house? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you guys a fan of me talking you through these tours? Are you kind of annoyed by me talking through these tours? I need your feedback. What do you guys think? Let me know. Because if you guys don't want me to talk, I swear I will dip out and I will bring you some really nice, calming, relaxing music instead. And that'll save so much time editing and stuff later too. So I'm totally okay with it. But let me know. I mean, if you like it, I'll stay. But either way, check out the website and like the video.